Mamata Banerjee took oath as Chief Minister of West Bengal for the third time today after she spearheaded the Trinamool Congress to a remarkable victory in the assembly polls. Mamata Banerjee said her first priority now is to tackle the COVID pandemic in her state. She then spoke about post-poll violence in Bengal and exchanged barbs with Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. Mamata Banerjee said for the past 3 months, the state was under the Election Commission and she didn't have any say when it came to administration. But she assured the people that from this point on, violence will be dealt with utmost firmness. The Chief Minister also said she will set up a new police system. The governor urged Mamata Banerjee to bring an immediate end to the violence. The BJP boycotted Mamata Banerjee's oath-taking ceremony, citing rampant violence against its cadre in the state.
Our first priority is we must bring end to this senseless violence, horrendous violence that has affected society at large. Post-poll violence, if it is retributive, is antithetical to democracy. I have every hope that the Chief Minister on urgent basis will take all steps to restore rule of law and ensure that those who have been hurt, particularly children and women, relief is accorded on a priority basis.
যে আমি সবাইকে সব রাজনৈতিক দলের কাছে আবেদন করব যে সবাই শান্তি বজায় রাখুন, শৃঙ্খলা বজায় রাখুন, সংহতি বজায় রাখুন। বাংলা কিন্তু কোনো অশান্তি পছন্দ করে না এবং আমি নিজেও করি না। আমি প্রত্যেককে বলবো প্লিজ টেক প্রপার কেয়ার যাতে কোনো ভায়োলেন্স কোথাও না হয় এবং কোথাও কোথাও ইলেকশনের পরে কিছু স্পোরাডিক ইনসিডেন্ট হয়। আমি আজ থেকে ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডার ট্যাকেল করব এবং কঠোর হস্তে আমি এগুলো মোকাবিলা করব। এটা আমার সেকেন্ড কাজ। আমি ফিরে গিয়ে আমি যেটা যেটা ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডারের যেখানে যেখানে যাদের পোস্টিং করা সেগুলো করে যাতে কোনো রকম কোনো অশান্তি কোথাও না হয়, আর যদি কেউ অশান্তি করে তার বিরুদ্ধে কড়া পদক্ষেপ নিতে আমি কিন্তু পেছপা হব না।
After rampant post-poll violence in Bengal, the BJP is now holding its nationwide dharna. BJP MLAs took oath at the party office simultaneously when Mamata Banerjee's swearing in was on at the Raj Bhavan. BJP President JP Nadda was present at this oath-taking ceremony of BJP MLAs, and they've taken an oath to stop politics of violence in Bengal and protect democracy. JP Nadda also met relatives of BJP workers and supporters killed in the violence. The BJP is holding a nationwide protest claiming that 6 of their workers were killed in Bengal and several, including Shuvendu Adhikari, were attacked by Trinamool Congress workers. The BJP also alleged that TMC burnt down their office in Arambagh even as results were pouring in.
तानाशाही, तुष्टीकरण, तोलाबाजी और यही आज जैसे ही उनको सत्ता मिलने की नौबत आई, उससे पहले शाम ढलते ढलते ये घटना घट गई है। ये बताता है ममता जी के पार्टी का चरित्र और प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से इस राजनीतिक हिंसा को नस्तो नाबूद करने के लिए हम कृत संकल्प।
हालत बहुत गंभीर है और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए। बीजेपी पार्टी की ओर से जो कार्रवाई करना चाहिए नड्डा जी का गाइडेंस में चल रहा है काम।
क्या आप अमित शाह जी के साथ बात कर रहे हो? इस
बात हुआ।
ये धरना कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा को हार हजम नहीं हो रही है, इसलिए शपथ ग्रहण में शामिल ना होके इस तरह का धरना दे रहे हैं।
हम खुद भी यहाँ पर शपथ लेंगे, हमारे विधायकगण सारे, और जिस प्रकार हिंसा की राजनीति चल रही है और गणतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, हम गणतंत्र की स्थापना के लिए हमारे सारे भाजपा विधायक भी शपथ लेंगे।
देश में पहला राज्य है जहां राजनीतिक हत्याएं सरकार के नेतृत्व में, सरकार के संरक्षण में, मुझे तो नॉर्थ कोरिया के वो किम जोंग का दृश्य दिखाई देता है कि किम जोंग के खिलाफ अगर कोई आवाज उठाए, सर कलम टीएमसी के खिलाफ आवाज उठाए, सर कलम।
And India Today's Surya Agni Roy now joins me for more on the story. Surya Agni, bring us details of the ground situation and the investigations. The charges that the BJP had levelled, Bengal police say, especially crimes against women, Bengal police says that's fake news. Has the NCW team reached there or is it en route?
Well, Gaurav, if you just look at the past 48 hours, or rather the past 24 hours, there, apart from a few sporadic incidents, there hasn't been much reports of violence. And even today, the governor, when Mamata Banerjee was sworn in, time and again, he stated that law and order is something that the state government needs to, tackle very efficiently. And Mamata Banerjee also stated that, that police was under the ECI, and from now on, it will be with her, and she will tackle the situation. So, but coming back to your question, there were, reports on social media that 2 women were raped in Birbhum, the BJP claimed so, but the West Bengal police and even the SP of Birbhum, that is Nagendra Tripathi, he was appointed by the ECI itself. Even he, went on to record and stated that that itself was a completely fake story that was doing rounds on the social media. And he said that, he came to this conclusion after multiple investigation and also speaking to the local BJP leaders in Birbhum as well. Now, coming back to your question again, BJP today, it protested heavily, be it Shravendu Adhikari, Dilip Ghosh, or even JP Nadda. They were in Calcutta and they were, on a dharna at a time when Mamata Banerjee was getting sworn in as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the 3rd consecutive time. One very interesting thing that we did observe this time was generally, the Speaker or the Governor is someone who will ask a ministerial candidate to be, to take an oath. But today we saw that the entire, all 77 MLAs of the BJP and the entire senior leadership of the BJP in West Bengal, they took an oath under Dilip Ghosh and JP Nadda, stating that they will do everything required to protect the state from violence, especially its cadres who are alleging that they have been, at the receiving end of the political violence that erupted after the polls.
Surya Agni, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more for the moment. Many thanks. Let's now take a look at India's war.